So guys, here's a small video for to show how the AliExpress adjustable levers fit on the Dominar. So I have this KTM knuckle guards also, and this is the brake side. It's adjustable if you see, like it's 6-step adjustable for the leverage. Okay, I like to have it on my topmost stuff. If you do have the knuckle guards, you might have problem with two locations. One is here, kinds of touches. Second, I had to adjust because the knuckle guards are touching the brake lines over here. Okay, I had to put the knuckle guard down a bit, and thus this was also touching it because the brake lines had gone down. The whole accelerator stuff had to be pushed down also. Okay, I tried adjusting, but I'll need a little more adjustment over here. So that is one adjustment that needs to be done on the brake side if you have a knuckle guard. If not, everything works fine. Okay, it's a straight fit, no mods, nothing. Second is the clutch side, which first thing is the rubber won't fit straight, so it's okay, you can remove the rubber too. Second problem is the lever kind of is not on the outermost setting of, I'm not able to show it here. It's not on the outermost setting, it's on the third or fourth one, because I don't have any extra leverage space over here. It is touching the handguard. So again, if you don't have the handguard here, you'll get very good leverage without the handguard. So that is one drawback if you have a handguard. Otherwise, again, even this fits straight, no mods done, nothing. This is the mount on the bottom side. I'm not sure if it is clear because it's quite dark here. I have a similar set of levers on my 600i, which is here. It's the same set of levers are here. On the 600i, I had to do certain mods to match the holes, but here I didn't have to do any mods, so all is stock. That's it.